Welcome to the intensive care unit, or ICU, where every second counts and every decision can mean the difference between life and death. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to show you what a day in the life of critical care nurses and doctors really looks like. Handover is the backbone of our day. It ensures continuity of care and helps us hit the ground running. Every patient is unique. Some are recovering from surgery, others are fighting severe infections, and some are on life support. Our job is to monitor them closely and respond quickly to any changes. It's intense, but this is what we're trained for. You have to stay calm, think fast, and trust your team. Families are going through one of the hardest times of their lives. We try to be honest but compassionate, and we're here to support them as much as the patient. No one does this alone. We rely on each other's expertise and experience to make the best decisions for our patients. These moments remind us why we do what we do. It's not just a job, it's a calling. The ICU is a place of resilience, teamwork, and hope. It's where lives are saved and miracles happen every day. Thank you for joining us inside the ICU.